Welcome back, my dear students. So we are coming pretty far in our application. We need to start validating some of the form data, right? So let's come back here and make sure that our application is working. It looks like it is. Let's go and come back here. So we need to start validating our data here. Now, we are validating it because we're using some of this HTML5 stuff, validation here in the front. So if you want, you really don't have to play around with it too much in the server side. We are also doing validation in the model, okay? So we're doing validation in three different ways. We're using it in the model, well, in the server, and doing it in the front end. Now, you could, and we could, and maybe we will, do some of the validations that we did here. Remember that? So I'm just gonna take all this and we can take it and put it down here like this. Okay? Let's initialize this guy on top here. And let's play around with it, right? Let's just do this and maybe the last name, and this is optional, guys. To be honest with you, I don't use this much. I just wanted you guys to know that this is a way of doing it. Okay, like this. Oops, what is this? This is the email. Let me not be lazy and write this down here. Okay, now we have the password field. Okay, and in the password field, what we want to do is maybe we can say if this is not equal. I think the other one is called password confirm. I'm not 100% sure. Confirm. Let's go back to the form real quick. Yep, password confirm. They're not the same. Password fields don't match. Don't match. Something like that, right? Let's do double quotes on this. Okay. Please include email or add an email. Please add a last name. Please enter your first name. Okay, something like that. And this would be admin post, actually not admin, but this would be in the register, right? Actually is not. This for the post data, so we don't need to. Let's go here, post data. Okay, that's fine. This is misspelled, of course. Match. There we go. If anything, we're just gonna render the view, okay, with some errors. What else do we want to pass into the register page besides the error? Well, nothing else, right? In reality, we want to see if we have no errors, and we have that function that up there. Let's see. Else, we just do our database stuff, right? Let's just send a res here and saying passed or data was good. Okay. Well, we have that required, so that's gonna get in the way. But let's see if we don't have a require in one of these. I'm just gonna fill the rest and see if that one at least goes through. 1, 2, and 3. 1, 2, and 3. Enter. Data was good. Let's not fill that one in and see what we get. Oh, 1, 2, and 3. 1, 2, and 3. Enter. It's looking for the view register. Oh, it's home register. Okay. 1, 2, and 3. 1, 2, and 3. Huh. 1, 2, and 3. 1, 2, and 3. Enter. Let me make this page a little smaller. Looks like it's refreshing. And well, we are not displaying the errors here. Okay. And we don't have it in our admin layout. So well, it's not gonna be in the admin layout. It needs to be in the home layout, right? So let's see what we can put this. This is the admin side nav. This is the admin layout. This is the home layout. And we can place these errors after, let me see, right here. Okay, so let's go and we're gonna say if errors, we're gonna loop through them. Okay, so let's just do each errors and we're gonna show them. Let's just for now, let's see if we can remember the alert, the div. I don't think that's the one. Alert danger. Let's see. Alert danger message. Let's do this now. Enter. I'm not gonna put nothing there. Just gonna fill this in. 1, 2, and 3. 1, 2, and 3. Enter. Please enter your first name. So that one is working. Let's check to see if the second one, if it goes through all of them. Okay, so I'm gonna take that require out. I'm gonna take the require password out. I'm gonna take the require all of them out. Okay, just to check. Enter. First name, last name, email. The password is not working because we need to put something in there. So let's do the password as well. Where is this stuff? There we go. Password. Now you can do the passwords together if you want to do that. You know, like if this is empty and you know if it's available. Okay, I'm just gonna do it like this. Let's see now. Oops. Enter. And of course we gotta change the name. Why my editor is playing with me like this? Enter a password. or this field cannot be blank. Cannot be blank. Something like that. Okay, let's do it again. Let's come back. I'm gonna press enter there, register. There we go, just a little misspelling here, but let's fill everything else in here. And enter. It passed the password data here. And it says if required password, there we go. Let's fix this. I think blank goes like this. Okay, let's go back, make sure that it's working. Fill this in, and put a different password here, a different password here. Enter. Password fields don't match. Okay, so this is working. Like I said before, this is not necessary most of the time, but it's always good to have it. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do Command Z or Control Z and add all my required fields in here. Okay, so make sure you have your required fields. It's just double protection, guys. Let's add it here as well. I didn't add it there. Perfect. All right, so we're doing pretty good. Thank you so much, and I'll see you on the next lecture.